Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the best VPNs for Saudi Arabia. For your convenience, I've included the links to 3 of the best VPNs to access TikTok live in Saudi Arabia. Now, as you may know, many websites are banned in Saudi Arabia, including TikTok Live, which can be really frustrating if you're trying to access certain content or services. To help you with that, I've tested several VPNs and narrowed it down to 3 of the best options for this situation. These are NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, and Pure VPN. Whether you're a visitor or even a Saudi citizen, using a VPN can help you enjoy unrestricted internet access. These VPNs will also protect your online privacy by hiding your real location and encrypting your internet connection. Now, let's compare these 3 VPNs: NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, and Pure VPN. First, we have NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most popular VPNs available, with over 6,300 servers in 111 countries. It offers advanced security features, such as double encryption, which makes it a great choice for those who are particularly concerned about online privacy. NordVPN also supports a large variety of devices and is known for its reliable performance. Here are the subscription plans of NordVPN, which are cheap and reliable. Next, we have Surfshark. Surfshark is another great option with over 3,200 servers in 100 countries. It's budget-friendly while still offering strong security and excellent speed. Surfshark also allows unlimited device connections, which makes it a fantastic choice if you have multiple devices you want to protect with just one subscription. Here are the subscription plans of Surfshark VPN. It's very cheap and budget-friendly. Finally, we have Pure VPN. It has over 6,000 servers, spread across 95 countries. It's known for being fast, secure, and easy to use. It works on all types of devices, including computers, smartphones, and even routers. Pure VPN is perfect if you want a simple, user-friendly experience. All 3 VPNs are solid options. The choice really depends on your budget and what features you need. Pure VPN offers a smooth experience with great speeds. NordVPN offers more servers and additional security features, making it a good choice if privacy is your top priority. Surfshark is the most affordable, making it ideal if you need a reliable VPN without spending too much. Use the links in the description to try all 3 VPNs for a great price. Each of these VPNs comes with a 100% money-back guarantee and will allow you to use TikTok Live in Saudi Arabia.